Lemon, you put us in the worst possible situation. Why do we still trust Lemon?
I don't know.
Why do we still trust
That really did a lot of damage. It's going to be dangerous to keep drilling with all of those dents.
Why do we trust
See if you can do anything about them. I
Turn
think if you can
the
patch those
hammer,
dents back into place, it should be safe to keep drilling again.
Where's the hammer? Where's the goddamn hammer? That's so evil! Where's the hammer?
I don't know where's the hammer.
Empowered by Lemon or something. Oh my god, chat is my tuning skills. I'm proficient in it.
We're recording, you know. Me, Mr. Tree, are recording.
Punch it to fix it!
What we punching?
Let's punch Lemon, you know.
Yeah, bet. I'll punch Lemon.
Punch what?
Oh,
Everyone punch through the glass. Stand by the way. Can we punch through the glass? Proactively doesn't think that we're probably
Great job fixing
Oh.
it.
punch it! That's annoying!
Okay, we're moving again.
Hold on tight, my guy. Monkess is chasing us, my guy. I don't know how Monkess having legs, guys.
Whoa.
I'm trying.
Okay, I don't think he's going to be able to follow us here.
I'm really pretty with that jump. I said that anyway.
yeah. Oh.
That was a good
I'm
time.
floating.
Now, all the times you could have turned up.
Fixing those dents, quick.
Twin.
There's another dent.
Monkess, no. I bought you a chill, Monkess. I gave you your tax.
Just can't get rid of this guy.
You knew
It
it.
wasn't built to take this much damage.
Oh, God.
We need to get rid of Monkess, and we need to do it now.
Stop like such an H7. You made the event.
Picking up something ahead. Yes, this is what we thought was down here. We can't let Monkess stop us now.
We can't let Monkess stop us now. So Monkess is came
I've got an idea. It's a long shot,
Uh,
but it just might work. If we can overload the engines, then I think we can shock Monkess. I need you to go pull the levers by the engines. Hurry!
Levers! Oh, the levers! Clunk! I'm still jumping down here. Oh! What are you doing? Oh god. Oh god. We did it!
Good job, Dad. Yeah, you did. What the hell?
You did it. You drove him away. Oh,
Why are we so bouncy, bro?
I don't think that's the last we've seen of him. But we should be safe for now. But we did it. We made it.
Come on, Dan.
Look outside. Isn't it incredible? I've never seen anything like it. It's gonna take...
Whoa!
Nah, John, where is Gojo? Who has eyes on Gojo?
Gojo's there.
Man.
Can I grab like the
Oh,
pen?
that's insane. Is that it?
I don't
No,
know.
there's
Is
nothing
it?
more. You know, it doesn't look like it's it.
Did it?
No, I fell. Is it the end?
No, this can't be the end.
No, this is the end.
I hear it growling.
I'm on the other side, Lewis. Come on, guys. To you.
Crash out.
No, but yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, it is the end.
Yeah, that's it.
Help me.
I shouldn't be on this side. Jump back down, guys.
Yeah, jump back down, jump back down.
No, I bet. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video, I think. Bye, guys.
See you.
Yay, free.